The Battle.net desktop application allows you to manage all of your Blizzard games in one place. This is where you can install the game, download patches, and run all Blizzard titles. Once you are logged into this app, you will be logged into all your Blizzard games. One issue that you might experience when playing your favorite Blizzard games is when the Battlenet desktop app fails to load or open. Here's what you need to do to fix this problem. Delete the Battlenet folder. A corrupted Battlenet folder can usually cause this problem, which is why you should try deleting it. Don't worry, as this will automatically be downloaded when you run the Battle.net desktop app. Close all Agent Blizzard Battle.net desktop app and game processes. You can do this by right-clicking the process, then selecting End Task from the Task Manager. Then, press Windows key plus R. This will open the Run box. At Run dialog box, type C:\program data/ into the open field and press Enter. This will bring you to where the Battle.net folder is located. Delete the Battle.net folder. This will remove its data from your computer. Next, delete the Battle.net cache folder. A corrupted cache can cause this problem, which is why you should try deleting the cache data on the app. Use the Task Manager to close all Agent Blizzard Battlenet desktop app and game processes. Press Windows key plus R to open Run dialog box. At Run dialog box, type C:\program data/ into the open field and press Enter. Delete the Blizzard Entertainment folder. That's it. I hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.